Hey guys, welcome back to Masterandlearnit. In today's video, we are going to answer the big question, how do you know which fraction is bigger than the other? The answer is simple. All you need to do is to make sure your denominators are the same. Once your denominators are the same, you can then compare the numerators. And I'm sure some of you have forgotten how do you know which one means the greater than or which one means the smaller than on these symbols. Remember, always think of this symbol as a crocodile, and always the crocodile wants to swallow the bigger number. Always the crocodile is hungry, so want to eat the bigger number. So when you want to say this number is bigger, make sure the crocodile opens out its mouth towards that number. So back to the main question, how do we compare fraction? How do you know which fraction is bigger than the other? Make sure the denominators are the same. And once the denominators are the same, just compare the numerators. Let's begin. The first question that we have is 4 over 5. We are comparing it to 3 over 5. So the first question is to ask, are the denominators the same? 5, so my denominators are the same. I can then compare the numerators. 4 and 3, which one is bigger? 4 is bigger than 4, and the crocodile always wants to eat the bigger number. So we read it as 4 over 5 is greater than 3 over 5. How about when the denominators aren't the same? For example, we have a question that says 2 over 5 box 1 over 2, and you cannot compare these fractions right away. So all you need to do is to make the denominators the same. So how do we do that? You have to go to the 5 times table and the 2 times table. Let me list the 5 times table. 5, 10, 15. The 2 times table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do you notice that we have a common number 10? That's what we call the lowest common denominator. So always go to your denominators that are not the same, make the multiples of your number, and you're going to see the number that's the common, that's going to be your new common denominator. So all these fractions, I'm giving them a new common denominator 10, a new common denominator 10. Bring your numerators as normal, just put your times. Bring down your numerator, just put your times. How many times does old denominator 5 fits into the new denominator 10? 5, 10, so that means 2 times. How many times does denominator 2 get into the new denominator 10? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 5 times. Then just put it right there. Let's simplify. 2 times 2, it's 4 over 10. 1 times 5, it's 5 over 10. And now that the denominators are the same, we can compare the numerators. And remember, the crocodile wants to eat the bigger number. So the crocodile wants to eat the bigger number 5. So we read this as 4 over 10 is less than 5 over 10. I'm sure you find this video to be really helpful. If you do, give it a big thumbs, subscribe to Masterandlearnit, and share it to all your friends. And I'm giving you one challenge. Try to do the last question for yourself and drop in the comments and tell me what you think, which fraction is bigger than the other. See you in the next video.